Hey. Good morning. Let's make some toast of this bread, here French toast, oui, oui. It's freezing in here. So, welcome, I guess, in Figueres, with a very big and lovely castle, which we're gonna visit now. It's a good thing I brought gloves. Oh no, wait. Look at that, man. Ooh, look at that. What a view! Very beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's go up the castle wall. It's funny because they gave me this thingy, and I have no idea. Let's just press a number and see what happens. Oh, it says waiting for synchronization. It's not even working. Well, that's pretty useless. I'm just slugging this along for nothing. And it's windy as hell, man. Windy, windy. I mean, how would it have been for people who were living here? I mean, when in the year 1700 something, how would you survive this, man?
Fire.
Fire. Yeah, a lot of fire, I guess. Wow, that's a great view. Very windy. Oh yeah, we were just down. We came from down there, and then we went up here. And oh, my cord is in the way. I got it working.
For them to run on the stairs or along the sentry wall.
I don't know what it's saying. It's very soft.
The audio guide is very easy to use.
Is it interesting?
As you walk
what
around,
is he telling us?
Signs will indicate whenever necessary which.
Into the keypads. He says we hope you enjoy your visit.
Oh, he's at the beginning.
Are we enjoying our visit so far?
Yeah.
Oh,
cool.
Okay. Well, whoop de freaking do then. What the hell is this? Oh shit! Oh! Oh. What? Oh, we can see our car from here. It's a little bit windy. We almost couldn't close the door. It was blowing so hard that we almost lost our hand on the door. So that was fun. Now let's get down.
Get down.
Get down. Britannia. It's a goat. And another one. So that was the castle, I guess, right?
Yep.
Are we gonna go to the other castle, the second one? We're gonna go to the second castle? Really?
Yep.
We're gonna go to the second castle. Let's go! So, castle number 2. Look at that lens flare. Oh, lens flare. Okay. What's gonna happen? You need to scan your ticket. It's very tight in here, yes. Tight like a tiger. lavatory. Ooh, that's tiny. Look at that. That's a tiny, tiny poo hole. We are the only ones in this room. Private museum. I guess that's the plus side of going somewhere in December when it's cold and nobody wants to do anything. Hallelujah. The acoustics in here are pretty nice though. You want to sing a song with me? Furry walls, furry walls, furry walls. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the tour. We're gonna go home now.
Yeah.
Huh. Finding a gas station in France, not easy. Not easy. But we did it. So I guess that was our trip to France for 1 week. And we have some sunny weather today. We're leaving with the sun and rain. We're having everything today. Rain, sun, no snow yet. I hope we're not gonna get snow, but so let's just skip to home in 3 seconds. 1, 2, and we're back home. Well done, little paseo. So that was 775 kilometers in 3 seconds. But we made it back home. Hope you guys like the France videos. I'm really tired right now. I really need to eat something, and we've been in the car for like 9 hours. So yeah, I'm pretty beat. But hope you guys like the videos, and see you in the next one as always. Peace.